My name is Mary, and I want to talk about the future perfect tense. The future perfect tense is used to describe actions that will be completed before a specific time or event in the future. The future perfect tense emphasizes that an action or event will be completed at or before a certain point in the future. Pause the video and read the sentence out loud. The future perfect tense is useful for expressing a sense of achievement or accomplishment related to life experiences. Please pause the video and read the sentence out loud. The future perfect tense helps describe a cumulative or comprehensive experience over a period of time. You know the drill. Pause the video and read the sentence out loud. The future perfect tense can be used to set expectations about the outcome of life experiences. It suggests that a person will have had a fulfilling or satisfying experience by a specific time. Pause the video and read the sentence out loud. The sentence structure is subject plus will have plus past participle plus the rest of the sentence. Pause and read. The question structure is will plus subject plus have plus past participle plus the rest of the question. Pause and read. The negative sentence structure is subject plus will not, or the contraction won't, have plus past participle plus the rest of the sentence. Pause and read. Unscramble these sentences using the future perfect tense. Remember, the structure is subject plus will have plus past participle. Pause the video, complete the exercise, and then read the sentences out loud. For the answers, remember the structure is subject plus will have plus past participle. How did you do? More practice, because practice makes the master. Please pause the video and read the sentences out loud. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the show and the exercises, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. You can see all the Talking with Mary books on Amazon.